What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're just doing a quick unboxing and overview on the HKS Speed Loader. For this specifically is a 5-shot for 38 Special or 357 Magnum. You can actually see this came in a 2-pack. I got one loaded up here, but we'll show you everything that comes with it, which isn't a lot, and then also how to actually use it. Jumping right into it, again, it came in a 2-pack, so I already have the first one unboxed, but unboxing the second one, you can see that all it comes with, you just peel on the back, there we go, is the actual speed loader. Ta-da! World's quickest unboxing, how about that? But the main part of this is how do you actually use one of these? And this kind of goes the same for if you have a 5-shot, 6-shot one, and it's this style, well then here's how they work. It's actually such a simple mechanism, but effective in the sense that it works. So you have the body, you have this part here, and then you have the metal part that can actually twist. So just to demonstrate here, you can see the grip on it. You can turn it clockwise and it clicks, and then counterclockwise and it'll click as well. So it's just like a, I don't know, like a 1/16 of a turn. That's all it is. When you turn it though, what happens on the inside here is if I turn it to, let's see, this would be counterclockwise, that is the locking position. And you can see down in there those metal pieces. I'm gonna spin it back and forth here so you can see right there it would be unlocked and there it would be locked. So all it is that little metal piece in each of the holes that spin over, and that locks your bullets or cartridges into the speed loader. Specifically to show you what I mean by that, I have some 38 Special here loaded up in this one. And actually let's start right from the beginning. I'm gonna unlock it, set them down. So when you take your first bullet in here, you can drop it in. And again, that little metal piece, it's gonna catch right here on the back. See the groove on the cartridge? That's where that metal piece catches to lock it into the speed loader. So when I have this bullet in, right now it's just free floating and nothing happens. But if I turn this counterclockwise, you can see now it is locked in. And then if I want to release it, turn it clockwise, and then now it'll come out again. Super simple. And then also on this side, you can actually see that's the thing making the clicking noise. There's a little ball detent thing there, and this just jumps back and forth between that from unlock to lock. So in full practice on how you use this, you would just grab your bullets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, right now they just jiggle and they're loose, but then you turn it counterclockwise like that. And now they are secure and in there. And you can put this in your little ammo belt or pouch, and then you're ready to go for a reload. On the reload, how you would do it is you got your pistol here. So what is this? A Heritage Roscoe, very budget friendly 38 Special guy. But you would shoot. You would pop open your cylinder. You would eject out the casings. So now you're at this point. Then you would grab your speed loader out. You would simply line it up with the holes, just like that. You're gonna turn that mechanism on the back clockwise, and that unlocks it. And then you simply jiggle this off and all the bullets fall in. And then you can slam this in and get back to shooting. Just to demonstrate one more time, and on another revolver here, I'm gonna pop all these back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're missing one in the gun still. There we go, and there's the 5th one. So right now, jiggle, turn this counterclockwise. Now they're all locked in and it's secure. Next, we're gonna demonstrate on our Taurus 605 protector poly guy, whatever. Again, we shoot. We pop open that cylinder, we eject out those old casings. Now we're at this point. All we do is grab our speed loader. You just line them up with the holes here like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You can see actually on this one, the grip hits the speed loader. Totally fine though. It's gonna be a little annoying sometimes, but once you're at this point and you're angled a little bit, you can simply turn it clockwise and then jiggle this back off, and then all your bullets fall in and you're good to go. The other alternative to speed loaders like this is there's a product called moon clips, like, you know, the moon. And those are a little bit different. It doesn't have this whole locking, unlocking thing. It actually clips onto the back of the cartridge. So I'll try and pick some of those up to give you a side-by-side comparison, but that's typically what you'll see a lot of the people like Jerry Michalik, he'll be running in like his speed shooting, speed reloading stuff. He'll have those moon clips where he just pops real quick on and then he continues shooting. Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe. Actually, I don't even care. Don't even subscribe. Just hit the like button. Give me a sacrifice to the YouTube gods because it's tough these days for gun channels. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys have any other speed loader options I should check out for revolvers or feature on the channel. Always open to suggestions so that way I can show you guys, well, some other cool stuff. Till next time, have fun shooting and we'll see you soon. Thanks everybody.